Brad B-Rad Hoffman here from Bronco Beach Bash. And you know, we've had a lot of Broncos come from all over the country, but she came from across the pond, you would say. So what's your name?
Daisy.
Daisy. So nice to meet you. Daisy's come over here to check out the Bronco culture. Our good friend Jamie Castleberry and his wife Hillary came over and brought her into this whole program, right?
Yeah.
Told her about this event. So when you first heard about this Bronco event in Ocean City, Maryland, what did you think about it?
I was just over the moon. I was looking into looking at all the old Broncos and I was like, oh, I'm not too sure about the new ones. And I saw them all and I was like, no, I'll have a go. And I came over, they let me drive one for the first time. Yeah, what the heck? It's amazing. They're all so incredible. Everyone's so welcoming.
Yeah.
Beautiful community, beautiful Broncos.
And there's a lot of mix. You're seeing all the eras, so you weren't let down that you saw some new ones, but you also saw some old school ones too. So tell us about your history with the Bronco and really what brought you into the Bronco scene and where your Bronco is now physically, and then what you guys do over there with Bronco.
Yeah, awesome. So back home in the UK, there aren't many Broncos. Literally, I only know of mine, that's it.
Wow.
And I've had 3 open heart surgeries, and I was going into my 3rd one, and I was like, I need a truck to make me happy.
Wow.
I could drive on the roads, and I saw the Bronco, and I was like, I'm buying that. That is coming with me.
Yeah, I love
and the whole way through my surgery, I just kept telling all the nurses, I was like, I will be driving my Bronco. I have a Bronco, it's a V8, it's 5.8, beautiful, love it, 96. Gorgeous, right? A little bit rusty, but you know.
That's okay. That gives it character.
Yeah.
So the fact that you went through these surgeries and the Bronco gave you just like kind of a feeling of power and something to focus on. So really, the Bronco helped you heal.
It did.
Wow.
It did.
Just very excited that you came, and we'll get you some footage from this event. Share it around the UK, and you never know, maybe we'll get your Bronco over here one day.
Yeah, absolutely.
But it's been a great experience having you here. I know Jamie and Hillary have really been great having you and hosting you here with Destination Bigfoot Bronco, and they're doing a collaboration brand with us with the Bronco apparel that they're doing. It's amazing. So just thank you so much. The story is even crazier and better than I thought it could be. So big hugs.
Thank you so much for having me.
You guys will be big hugs from the UK, big hugs from the US. We're reaching across the pond. Broncos on the best. Broncos on the best.
Broncos on the best.
Broncos on